Hi, Ryan Steinelson here with Business Trends TV, where we interview the trending businesses that are out there, the ones that are setting the trends in their respective niches and their service industries. And right now, today, I have with me Gregory Tendrich, and Greg is a securities fraud attorney, and I'm going to let him tell you a little bit more about what he does. But he's very very ahead of the curve in terms of not only his knowledge base, but also in terms of the years of experience that he has, and also the amount of casework that he's done. And I just wanted to bring Greg on the show today because he's got a lot of great information that he's going to give you today, so that if you are in a situation where you have a stock fraud situation or any other type of situation, you'll know you'll have some answers. And Greg, how you doing?
Fine, Ryan. How you doing? Thank you.
Doing awesome. Maybe tell the people a little bit about yourself and where you're at and what you do.
Sure. Ryan, I have a practice that's devoted to securities litigation. I've been in Boca Raton now for about 10 years. I spent 10 years as an in-house lawyer representing major stock brokerage firms and wirehouses. And about 10 years ago, I decided to open up my own practice representing investors and stockbrokers with regulatory matters. It's a very specialized practice and one that we're very proud of, given my background and experience.
Yeah, so you've got a lot of experience, and it's a very specialized niche. There's not many, I don't think many attorneys that deal in that specific niche out there. Are there a lot of attorneys that do what you do, or is it?
No, it is a very specialized field, and there are a limited number of lawyers around the country that handle these types of cases. Okay. I think investors should be aware, however, that they should look for those attorneys that have a background similar to mine, where they have a background representing brokerage firms as well as investors who have been aggrieved by their stockbrokers.
So what is an unsuitable investment?
An unsuitable investment for you may be different than an unsuitable investment for, let's say, a 90-year-old widow. A 90-year-old widow who has a much shorter lifespan, her risk tolerance and her investment objectives may be different than a young, handsome man like yourself who has about 70 more years of investment opportunity. The elderly widow is looking for an investment that most likely is safe and secure and has a very low risk tolerance, whereas a person like you, Ryan, would be willing to take more risks. So again, an unsuitable investment in its simplest terms is an investment that does not satisfy your individual investment objectives and risk tolerance.
Okay, so basically it's dependent on things like the person's age and their risk tolerance as a result of their age, maybe, etc. So you're looking at, and I appreciate, by the way, you thinking that I'm going to live till I'm 110, because that's what I have to live to if I have 70 more years. That'd be awesome. But yeah, so I think that's what you're saying is it really is based on their risk. And I get that, because yeah, if I'm an elderly person and somebody recommends that I take on a small cap stock, that's probably not a good suggestion. Because
That's exactly right. And again, we have to review each and every one of those cases differently. But it's very important for everybody to know that when you open up an account with a stockbroker, they're obligated to take down that information, that vital information about you, which is important, one, from their firm standpoint, because they need to make recommendations and sell you investments that are suitable for you based on the information that they have acquired about you. And typically that information, like you had said, is your investment objectives, your risk tolerance, your financial wherewithal. All of those things come into play when one develops a investment plan, if you will, for hopefully suitable investments.
If somebody wants to get a hold of you and learn, get more information from you, or set up a consultation with you, how would they best get a hold of you, Greg?
Well, they can always visit our website, or they can call us through our telephone number, which is on our website.
Yep.
And again, we offer a free consultation, and anybody can call at any time, and we'll be more than happy to answer any questions that they have.
Greg, it's been awesome. Is there any final words of wisdom that you want to leave people with before we sign off here?
Well, I just would tell everybody, if you have any question whatsoever regarding your investments, there are good qualified lawyers out there to answer your questions. And if you're not getting the answers from your stockbroker or financial advisor, you should certainly contact a lawyer, and we could investigate those claims and see if there's anything that we can do on their behalf.
Okay. Great, awesome, Greg. I appreciate the time that you've given us today, and we're gonna post this video to your website, and so that people can get access to these questions. I'm sure you probably get a lot of these questions a lot, so it'll be nice to be able to send somebody to a video where they get all their questions answered before they meet with you. But you know, we'll do this again maybe in a couple months. Okay. And thanks for your time, and let's talk again soon. Okay.
Okay, Ryan. Thanks for having me.
All right. Bye bye.
Okay. Bye.